Today, we will talk about the asset turnover ratio. The asset turnover ratio measures how effectively a company is using its assets to generate revenue. The asset turnover ratio measures the value of a company's sales or revenues relative to the value of its assets. In other words, it's a way to see how efficiently a company is using its assets to generate revenue. If a company has a high asset turnover ratio, it means they are using their assets efficiently to generate sales. Conversely, a low asset turnover ratio means that the company is not efficiently using its assets to generate sales. The asset turnover ratio can be calculated using the formula, asset turnover equals total sales / 2. This formula helps determine how effectively a company is using its assets to generate revenue. The average value of the company's assets for the year is used to calculate the value of assets. The asset turnover ratio gives insight into how well a company is performing. A higher asset turnover ratio indicates that the company is generating more revenue per dollar of assets, which is a good sign. However, this ratio can vary widely between different sectors, so it's important to compare companies within the same sector for a meaningful analysis. For example, we can calculate the asset turnover ratio for companies like Walmart, Target, AT&T, and Verizon to compare how effectively they are using their assets to generate sales. This ratio can help investors understand the efficiency of companies in using their assets to generate sales and make meaningful comparisons within the same sector. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. Asset turnover is the ratio of total sales or revenue to average assets. 2. This metric helps investors understand how effectively companies are using their assets to generate sales. 3. Investors use the asset turnover ratio to compare similar companies in the same sector or group. 4. A company's asset turnover ratio can be impacted by large asset sales as well as significant asset purchases in a given year. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.